In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message yourself on Slack. By the end, you'll have a simple, private space right inside Slack that works like a personal notebook for notes, to-dos, files, and reminders, and it takes just a moment to set up. First, a quick overview of what we're doing. Slack lets you direct message not just teammates, but yourself. That self-DM is private to you and synced across your devices, so anything you drop in there is easy to find later. Think of it as your catch-all. Meeting notes, links you don't want to lose, quick voice memos, screenshots, and anything you want to remember without leaving Slack. There are two easy ways to get into this space. The first is to find your name in the direct messages section. On desktop, look at the sidebar and scroll through your DMs. On mobile, open the DMs tab. When you see your own name, click or tap it. That opens a conversation with yourself. If you've used it before, you'll see your previous notes. If not, it'll be empty and ready for your first message. From here, you can start typing instantly, no other setup required. The second way is to use the new message icon. On desktop, it's the pencil or compose button. On mobile, it's the same compose icon. Click or tap it, type your own name into the recipient field, select yourself from the list, and the DM opens. This method is handy if your name isn't visible in the sidebar or you prefer search. Once the conversation appears, you're in your personal space. Now, make it useful. Jot quick to-dos or longer notes, and use simple formatting for clarity. Short lines, headings, and checklists help you scan later. Drag and drop files, screenshots, and PDFs. Or use the paperclip to attach them, so everything related to a task stays together. You can set reminders on your messages so Slack nudges you at the right time, turning a note into a follow-up. If a message is important, pin it in the DM to keep it at the top, and star the conversation itself so it's always one click away. When you need to find something, search will pick up text, files, and links inside your self-DM. And because it's just another Slack conversation, you can reply in a thread to keep related thoughts grouped neatly. That's all there is to it. Open your DM with yourself through the direct messages list or the new message icon, and start using Slack as your personal notebook. Keep everything in one place, searchable, and always at your fingertips.